Hi everyone. What if your entire life played like a movie? In front of God? No edits. No excuses. Just the truth. Today's topic is, God's court. Not a courtroom here on earth, but the divine one where our life will one day be reviewed. We've all been given this life for a reason. It's not just time to pass. One day, we'll be held accountable for how we spent it. In that court, no one will ask where you came from, what your background is, or how important you think you are. The only thing that matters there? Your actions. What did you do with the time you were given? Did you do what you were meant to? Were you told what's right and wrong, and did you actually follow through? Unlike human courts, there are no lawyers in God's court. No one's going to argue your case or twist the truth. The reality of your life will play out right in front of you, like watching your own movie. You'll see exactly what you did. And you'll know if you lived with purpose. Or not. That's why we're reminded to live in a way that we won't feel ashamed when that day comes. The true Master is here in our lives for a reason, to wake us up before it's too late. We're reminded again and again, stay away from bad actions. This human life is rare and valuable. Why are we asleep to that truth? Why are we wasting time? One day, we'll have to answer for all of it. God comes into this world again and again, not to scare us, but to guide us. He teaches us how to see His presence in everyone and to love one another. That's the first and most important lesson, love people. God told Arjuna in the Gita, whenever people forget the truth, I come back to restore it. What does that mean? That the true religion is love and humanity. Human beings should care for each other, not hurt or compete with one another just for selfish gain. We should be each other's support, not enemies. And those who understand that, who live according to God's message, don't need to fear anything. The only thing we should worry about is whether we're doing what's right. There's a saying, even among thousands of cows, a calf knows its mother. In the same way, our actions know who we are, we can't run from them. What we do follows us. We've been told what's right and wrong. If we still choose bad actions, we face the consequences, the cycle of rebirth, going through 8.4 million different life forms again. Who wants that? But here's the good news, we're blessed. The day the true Master connected us to God, He forgave all our past mistakes. That's a huge blessing. But from now on, we carry more responsibility. We've been shown the truth. Now we have to live like it. Think like a spiritual person. Act with love, kindness, and awareness. If we still make the same mistakes, we'll be fully responsible. It's like someone running a red light and saying, I didn't know the law. But if you do know the law, there's no excuse. You face the consequences. It's the same spiritually. We've been given the knowledge. We've been shown the truth. So yes, we will be asked, you saw the truth, what did you do with it? That's why we need to prepare now. There's still time. Let's stay connected to spiritual community, selfless service, and God remembrance. Let's keep growing. The true Master said, we should reflect often, what am I doing with my life? Why am I here? What is my true purpose? God is blessing us constantly, waking us up, reminding us, giving us strength. Let's not waste it. Let's live with purpose, so that when we stand in that divine court, we can look up with confidence.